Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for your continued support and a big up on yourself. So now come here, run, quick and fast. Yeah, wanna drag here and come. You know, hear my cry, oh Lord, and baptize my tongue. Yeah, and help me to stop look over the fence. Yeah, cause I want to mind my business and the people business alone. So people, wanna come in, shut the door and draw a chair over here. So quick and fast, subscribers only over here. Yeah. So people, yeah, this is something we want to talk about. Because as me say, my mouth just want to talk. We can't keep that one here. Yeah, because a parable we are talk, we not call no names. So who know, all up on no hand. I go say. So people me that pass one place. Run, so when you go round, so you come round, so one big yard, one big woman sham. And me see two people end up on the lady veranda. Two chefs, one pretty woman, and one handsome man. Yeah. Then go down at the yard. Yeah, then go down at the yard. She know so let me not come a surprise visit. Yeah. She shot to see them. And she show a pretty woman around the yard. Yeah. She show a pretty woman around the woman sham. So, you know, you just know something I go at up some people head. Because as soon as life, you know, them certain people them. Them always run over there to look what go on. Yeah. And when them attack, I have a lot to say. Them always have to go over there, go watch out the woman live and life. So now, yeah, me last night now, me I walk about and I jog about the place. And guess what? Somebody nearly licked me down. Yeah. Then somebody nearly licked me down. Them drive, them car past me full speed after dark. Yeah. You know who that is? Yeah. You know me attack. She nearly licked me down to yeah. The speed when me see she a drive. A good thing. She didn't get catch on camera. But there's a long camera there. Yeah. One other cake. One leather. So called. She said she had cake. She had baked cake. But we always wonder, oh, she gets so much time on her hand. And she's a baker. Yeah. A baker. She have up her time on her hands to bake, but we not see no bake, no cake print pan her, no hair print, and we not see no. Young again we see some picture, but we not really see no real baking or go on. We just see she in a people business. Yeah. She have all the people business pan top her head. So she drive past me full speed after dark, a late time after dark. She couldn't take it no more in her yard. She come out and drive to get off some of the frustration. You know, when you're angry, sometimes you have to come out of the yard. Yeah, she come out of the yard. She must have really under stress because the two chefs, I think especially the man want go down there. And you know, she don't like him. And the other lady, I think she could have kind of tolerate the other lady, but you know, she not like to see the business people, them a get on with the lady too. Yeah. And I think judgment day come up soon and she'll get panicky now. That's so me see it, that's so me I said, my opinion. She'll get a bit panicky. Yeah. So she stop in the end and take out her camera and talking to her followers. Yeah, talking to her followers in her car. She didn't say nothing about it, still I just me. I say, and that's why she come out her house after dark. And I don't really see her on the road more than so. After that, I know say June cake season, I see her down there on the road. Pajamas, but me never see her after dark more so. So I think she want to clear her head. So she talk for a few minutes and then she gone. Yeah, so a good job, you know, a good job. Me hear it, you know, me hear it. If the clock come here to move out the road quick. Yeah. So this morning, no. Me hear she not talk about the book face and Zuckerberg and all these things that she can't comment on Zuckerberg. Want people, they don't want people to work. They want people to work. They don't want to give no money off of the app. But Smarty say, me hear Smarty talk around so she not beg WhatsApp, Cash App or whatever shop. Yeah, she not beg money the other day. Say, stars now work. The stars now work. I saw me hearing me. Don't know if I true or false. That's Smarty. Me hear it's allegedly, yeah. The person say she not beg. Yeah, she say nah work, cause you know when you get the cash up or the whatever app, you can't spend the money straight away. So she not beg it. Yeah, and she now say she don't like to beg on her thing and so on. But then me hear it again this morning. This hot off of the press now. She a cuss Zuckerberg, she said Zuckerberg, turn off our stars for no apparent reason. More than likely she turned it off herself. Yeah, and she said turn off our stars for no apparent reason, and she's not very happy about it. Yeah, so yes, that's what she said. So she's not happy, but these people make me laugh because before them in go on like say they don't want stars, they don't want cash app or whatever app, shop or whatever, they never want none of it. But all of a sudden now, them a beg it and it bother them say it turn off. Because I say people are scammers. Walk a beg stars and I beg them something they know and know them a beg it. No sir. Time gone rough, them a beg too. Beg to them. They call them beg too. So them a beg. Yeah. So I think them something they at up her head when she see business people then gone down a yard. Yeah, pretty woman and whatever. Yeah, it was a good look. It was nice to see pretty lady and so down a yard. Yeah, them are business people, but she not copy them. She just there. Pan for her, little bad mind train every minute. She come out and she cuss and she go around the corner. Pan the channel when she fear no fear. Go on like no fear. And she attack people undercover. Yeah. So, me live to see them, the people they turn around and a beg on the Sykes. Them a beg on the Sykes. Them a use psychology, but people brighter than them. Them say them bright, but they're not bright. Yeah. I begging on the Sykes are go on. I say, why would they just turn off your stars so? Yeah. Stars just turn off. No go sir. I beggy, Peggy. Beggy, Peggy, me I go call them because them in a call people beggy, Peggy and them turn beggy, Peggy now. Yeah. Them mad. Them are mad about people business. And then not mind for them own business. Yeah. So, and that me come to tell you no. I want to know if you help me laugh. But then the people that you have to laugh after them really. Laugh after them because, you know, them always a laugh after people and doing the most. And then, yeah, so, you have to laugh for them, really. And you want to feel sorry for them because you think them behavior not normal. But anyway, we just comfy. Tell them that quick and fast. Yeah. And me gone.